Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster who wanted to know how to get rid of anomalies like these that happen to be on multiple photographs. So you see that's there. It's on this one too. It's on the third one here. That's because there was a supposed smudge on my camera lens. I just actually drew these in and just duplicated on top of these photos. So what we're going to do is try to get rid of these by automating the healing brush here, which is the Band-Aid looking icon here in the Enhance tools. We're going to automate the process of using the healing brush to fix all these anomalies on these multiple photos by a program that automates tasks or a macro recorder. In our case, in Windows here, we're using TinyTask, and you can Google that to download and run it. It's a free program. Anyway, we're going to start it here, and basically we had a record and a play. So what I want to do is record the process of healing the first photo, and then we'll just play it to duplicate the process on all the other photos. Let's start with the first one. I'm going to hit record, go straight to the healing brush, and come down here and click something like a 13 point. That looks like a good size. I'm going to heal this piece right here. Look at it's gone. Come down here, heal this one. Look, it's gone. Come up here to record and hit stop. Now all we have to do is go to the next one. Choose that photo and hit play and watch it run. It goes 1. Choose the 13. It goes up and fixes the first one. Look at that. It's doing it all on its own. I'm not even operating the mouse. And then I stop. Now let's go ahead and do that, but let's speed it up. I'm going to go to Preferences, hit that to 100 speed, and I'm going to hit play. Watch how fast it does it. And that's all there is to it. Turn that one off, go to the fourth photo, and hit play. And that's all there is to it, to use macros to help you automate duplicated tasks. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.